Sige boy!
Sige, boy.
Sige, tama na. Uy,
Fuck,
gago.
Leo,
Wala
you
calming, no
acromorphs.
calming.
Fuck.
No calming.
Putang ina yun.
I use calming to wing.
Leo, you acromorphs.
No, I
Suyong,
do not aggro, bro.
You acro. Fuck.
May low dito. Chigbin. Come,
Gago,
one low
sayang.
here. One low here. Help.
Wait. Cannot go, bro.
He's low, he's coming to you. He's low. Skipper.
Si Bilo.
Bro,
Go
he,
back.
Ay, tier 5 lang yun, boy.
maybe we go reset. We wait, you guys. Leo, go to his side.
Wala na akong invipat. Sino may invipat dyan? Pahinga ako.
Tago. Na-aggro ng Berpo yung
Yeah,
Pero hindi
go.
O dyan,
pa
pahinga ako
natin
calming pre.
Bro, if you want to play
mag-out yan,
Violator,
gago.
you
Pahinga
go
calming boy. Ay
go
gago, magro
by
natin mobs dyan tol.
Anong magandang weapon boy? Anong magandang weapon boy?
go by Stalker Hood, okay? Go play Stalker Hood.
At sa laba. Yun.
Fuck Leo, I will show you I'm Lekka.